Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Ram 3500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, automatic dimming door mirrors, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.